Hi, welcome back. So we're in chapter 7 in the second lab, section 2, and that is to discuss the research design. Let's go ahead and review the details of this section. So basically, in the research design, in academic review, we have discussed two available research design, and that is the cause and effect and the observational. You may want to go back and just refresh your academic understanding on both research design. But for our problem, as we have established so far, all the details of the approach, the structure, theoretical and conceptual framework, the research question, hypothesis, everything is already. Now we know that our research design is going to be based on observational research design. And we are going to actually use both methods, and that is the correlational method and then the descriptive method, where in the first method, the correlation is going to help us to answer the first research question. And then the descriptive method is going to help us to answer the second research question. To refresh your memory once again, the first question was to find out the correlation between those demographic and affecting variables and the dropout problem, right? That was a relation that we're trying to investigate. What kind of relation is this and how it works? That's why the correlation method is going to help us to answer. In the second research question, we said that if we have established those number of variables, will they be predictive for the problem? And that's why the descriptive method of research design will help us to actually come up with an answer. Next thing, we want to discuss categorizing the research design. What would you categorize? We have discussed number of possible categories. So in this case, we're going to consider our research. It is a case study. Why? Because the research design, we lay out details information on possible reason or reasons that cause the lifelong trainees to drop out, which offered by a specific organization or a project. In this case, it's a learning project, which is conducted by the cityhood municipality. If you would like to generalize these results, you might want to make sure such results it's almost similar or identical in other institutions. So that was the quick review on our research design, and now we are ready to move on. Next step is to discuss the building of the research instrument. I'll see you then.